Let us discuss suppose the causes of failure of the operation of the electrical equipment. Let's see first the internal causes of failure of the electrical equipment. Most of the electrical equipments are failed due to the failure of the insulation. That is, we also know that the insulation is nothing but a heart of the electrical system. If the insulation fails, there is a chances of failure of the electrical equipment. There are some reasons due to which the electrical equipment generally fails. First is the temperature rise above the permissible limit for a long time due to the but obvious if the load of the machine will be increases or the load of the equipment will be increases, the temperature of the machine will be rise instantly. And if the cooling system of the machine is not operating properly, then that time it will directly affect onto the insulation of the equipment, and the machine will going to fail. Second reason is the short circuit fault in the winding. If the short circuit fault is there, the current is increases abruptly, and due to the I square R loss, the temperature will be increases. Third reason is the phase to ground fault resulting into large fault current. Phase to ground fault will result into the large fault current, and due to which the insulation may fail of the equipment. Phase induction motor, open circuit fault in one phase, other phase two phase supplying the load, right? Another reason is the rotor fault. If there is any fault in the rotor, that is a short circuit in the rotor winding, etc. Next one is the failure of the bearing, will result into more friction loss and increase the temperature rise. But obvious, if the friction loss will be increases, the temperature will also going to increase, and temperature going to increase, then it will affect the machine. Then magnetic locking between the stator and the rotor, and this is called as the cogging phenomena. When there is a magnetic locking in between the stator and the rotor, the motor stops rotating. Next one is the uneven air gap. If the air gap is uneven, that will causes the failure of the electrical equipment. Then unbalanced rotating weight, then imbalance in the alignment system. If the alignment of the machine is not proper, then it will cause the failure of the electrical equipment. Thank you.